Hey guys, happy Sunday, good afternoon. It is, I believe, February 13th, because I think tomorrow is Valentine's Day. Yeah, February 13th, on a Sunday, Super Bowl Sunday. But I got some packages. I'm gonna like the hairstyle, got my hair braided. Alright, so we got some exciting things. We have LEDs for the cluster. We got, I think these are the stainless braided lines, and like I showed you guys before, this is the slide pin boot. And then I got my gloves. I came in because I ran out of gloves, so this is pretty exciting. Let me see if I can open this. Okay. Yeah, they sealed this pretty good. Boom, Stoptech. Got it, and that's it. That's the part number if you guys need it. Let's see what else we got in here, and that's it. Cool. Voila. Pretty sure they fit me because it's small. Yeah, although they're kind of thick. That's what she said. Alright, so we're back. Got the stuff. Now let's get to work. Alright, so previously we had an issue with these guys, the caliper bracket. I was able to take it to the mechanic shop, and they were able to take out one of the slide pins that was stuck. It was this one, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, right now this one is ripped. I don't know if y'all can see it, but so yeah, it's ripped. So that's why I bought the boots. So I'm gonna get that done, replace the braid, the stainless steel lines, and go from there. Let me take this off. Alright, so I'm pulling it out with a flathead. I'm just kind of squeezing myself in there to slide it out. And I think it should slide out, but I don't know. That's it. So we gotta take this line off, and there's a slide here. So we gotta make sure we take this out. I think it just pushes out. There you go. Okay, so we was able to get it out. As you can see, it's leaking. Let's try to get this done as fast as possible. Alright, so I was finally able to get it out. Sorry for the wait, guys. It's been a couple days. For you guys, it's just gonna be a couple minutes. For me, it's been days. So I finally got it out. It took me a while. Let me see if I can get it focused. So I used a pair of vice grips and the flare nut wrench to get it out. It looks like a mess right now because I used PB Blaster and everything, but I had to get the vice grip tight enough to grip the brake line at the metal piece. I'm sure you can see it, but anyways, right there. And then with, you know, pressure, it was able to finally come out. So now I'm gonna see if I can get this out. wondering if it's like brake fluid is gonna come out. We'll end up finding out soon enough. And now I can finally put in the new brake lines. I'll get back to you guys in a minute. So as well, the caliper, since I believe I messed with the brake lines, the caliper compressed it in, so I'm not able to fit the caliper on here anymore, as well as on the other side. So I had to get myself some channel lock pliers, pretty much. So I bought these, well, groove joint pliers. So I'm gonna try to use this to try to compress the caliper out in order to make it fit. I'll get back to you guys to see how that process goes. Let me go back to changing the brake line and then go from there. I just hope I don't mess anything up. Okay, so that's out. Okay, get this one out. Yeah, thank you guys for a ton of support. Thank you guys for sticking around, asking questions. I'm still learning as I go again. So if you guys have any other questions or anything you want us to like record next, let me know. If you want to see something else done on the Is300, let me know. And we will try to get that done and post a video up. Leave a comment below, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Thank you guys.